"You're not strong enough," everyone said. But the tiny engine, covered in rust and grime, had a spark no one could extinguish. On the day of the great train race, the other engines laughed. How could it ever compete? But as the race began, something incredible happened. With every chug, the little engine dug deep, fueled by determination. The other engines, sleek and powerful, soon felt the strain. But the little engine, it roared. Through sheer will, it surged ahead, defying every odd. When it crossed the finish line, the crowd erupted. The little engine wasn't the biggest or the strongest, but it had the most heart. And sometimes, heart is all you need to win a race.